Fall flowers bring vibrant color to gardens as summer blooms fade and the weather cools. These flowers come in a wide range of colors, shapes, and sizes, making them perfect for any garden style. Let's explore the best fall flower plants for your garden space. Starting with hydrangea. Hydrangeas are popular ornamental shrubs for good reason. Their large, vibrant flower heads make a striking impact in any garden. Fast-growing and versatile, they come in many types, often blooming well into fall. While some varieties tolerate light shade, most thrive in full sun and nutrient-rich soil. Pansy. Pansies are fast-growing and colorful, making them ideal for fall beds and containers. Their heart-shaped petals brighten gardens almost year-round in mild temperatures. They prefer part shade to maintain vigor and require regular feeding. Chrysanthemum. It is also known as mums. Mums are quintessential fall flowers. They start blooming in September and last until frost. And the many species come in various bloom shapes and colors. Petunia. Petunias are tender perennials often grown as fall annuals, with large, funnel-shaped flowers in various colors. Blooming may slow in summer heat, but cutting them back encourages fall blooms. Fuchsia. Evergreen fuchsias are excellent for fall container gardens, with bright teardrop-shaped blooms that attract hummingbirds. They thrive in part shade and warm weather but require careful moisture, humidity, and quality soil. Though not low maintenance, their beauty makes them worth the effort. Calibrachoa. Calibrachoa, or million bells, is ideal for adding bright fall flowers to your deck or porch. These prolific bloomers come in various colors and thrive in containers or the ground. To maintain blooms into fall, fertilize regularly and trim back in late summer. Rose. Roses, with their fragrant fall blooms, come in many cultivars and wild types. They require careful watering, fertilizing, sun exposure, and regular deadheading and pruning. While not low maintenance, their classic beauty makes the effort worthwhile. Blanket flower, Gaillardia. Blanket flowers are fast-growing, short-lived perennials with 3 to 4 inch daisy-like blooms on upright stems. If summer flowering slows, cut them back to encourage fall blooms. Dahlia. Dahlias are vibrant, late-season flowers with large blooms, perfect as thriller plants in containers or flower borders. They thrive in sunny spots with regular watering. Keep them away from pets, as they are toxic to dogs and cats. Begonia. With many begonia species available, you can find one to suit your garden's color, shape, and size needs. These shade-loving plants bloom well with less sun and offer attractive foliage. They are relatively low maintenance if provided with shady, warm, and evenly moist conditions. Scarlet Sage, Salvia splendens. Scarlet sage, a tender fall perennial often grown as an annual, features bright red, 2-inch flowers in clusters on upright stems. Blooming from June until frost, it can be potted in fall for indoor overwintering. African daisies, Osteospermum. African daisies stand out with their bright colors and bloom well into fall in mild temperatures. They start blooming in late spring but may pause during the hottest summer. They tolerate partial shade but thrive best in full sun with organically rich soil for maximum blooms. Zinnia. Zinnias, similar to dahlias but less demanding, are ideal for low-maintenance fall gardens. Easy to start from seed, they come in many varieties. Zinnia elegans, a tall, drought-tolerant option, thrives in sunny spots with well-draining soil. Marguerite or oxeye daisy, Leucanthemum vulgare. This cheerful, drought-tolerant perennial wildflower, popular with butterflies, thrives in sunny, informal meadow gardens. It's easy to grow from seed but can be invasive in some US regions, so check local regulations before planting. Balloon flower, Platycodon grandiflorus. True to their name, these stunning flowers, available in blue, white, and pink, resemble hot air balloons before blooming. They perform well in full sun but can also thrive in partial shade. Violet, Viole. Violets, from the Viola genus, are low-growing, spreading plants that revive in fall with 5-petal flowers. Apply slow-release fertilizer in late summer for better blooms. Pot marigold, Calendula. Marigolds bloom from late spring to early summer, and with regular deadheading, they can continue blooming through fall. Snapdragon, Antirrhinum majus. Snapdragons are tender perennials, often grown as annuals. They bloom from spring to fall frost in cool climates but may slow down during hot summers, resuming in cooler weather. Their name comes from the dragon-like shape of their tubular flowers. Tickseed, Bidens. Bidens are bright, tender perennials with long-lasting blooms that add color from late spring to fall in the right conditions. They thrive in fertile soil and full sun but are otherwise low maintenance and drought tolerant. Black-eyed Susan, Rudbeckia hirta. Black-eyed Susans are low maintenance, hardy native wildflowers ideal for cottage and meadow gardens. These daisy-like blooms thrive in sunny spots and provide nectar for pollinators from early summer to late fall. Asters, Symphyotrichum. New England asters provide vivid fall color with their daisy-like flowers, nearly 2 inches wide. Their pink to purple petals surround bright golden centers, and they can be planted from spring through fall. Sunflower, Helianthus. Sunflowers are striking annuals with 3 to 6 inch yellow blooms, ideal for gardens and fall arrangements. They bloom at different times, often into fall. Harvest seeds for future planting. Floss flower, Ageratum. For a long-lasting swath of color, consider plants from the Ageratum genus. The popular annual floss flower thrives in bright, moist spots, producing purplish-blue blooms that last well into fall. Japanese anemones. A splash of pink in September adds charm to autumn reds and oranges. These versatile border plants thrive in part sun, making them ideal for shady yards. Nippon daisy, Nipponanthemum. The Nippon daisy, or Montauk daisy, has white petals and green centers onto 2 3-inch flowers. They make long-lasting cut flowers. Deadhead spent blooms for continuous flowering. Plant in early spring or fall. Nasturtium, Tropiolum. Nasturtiums can be annuals or perennials with bushy, climbing, or trailing forms. Known for their bright flowers, they bloom from May to September, depending on species and climate. These low-maintenance plants thrive with occasional watering during droughts. Autumn crocus, Colchicum autumnale. Autumn crocus grows from bulbs planted in well-drained soil in late summer for fall bloom. It produces foliage in spring, which dies back by summer, with flowers emerging on bare stems in the fall. Sneezeweed, Helenium. Sneezeweed is a clump-forming perennial with 2-inch daisy-like blooms and domed centers. Prune 6 weeks before blooming to encourage more branching and flowers. Cosmos. Plant pink cosmos for a continuous supply of flowers in your kitchen. They produce great bouquets from spring until frost and can self-seed for more blooms in your garden. Cornflower, Centaurea sinus. These bright blue flowers attract birds and butterflies and adapt to both full sun and full shade. To encourage continuous blooming, deadhead spent flowers. Dianthus. Dianthus blooms well into fall, producing vibrant pink, red, and white flowers. It prefers cooler temperatures and well-drained soil, making it a charming, low-maintenance addition to autumn gardens. Globe amaranth, Gomphrena globosa. Gomphrena globosa, a drought-resistant species, thrives in dry or clay soil. Growing about a foot tall, it blooms until frost and prefers full sun. Verbena. These tiny flowers bloom abundantly until the first frost, brightening beds, borders, and hanging baskets, even in part shade. They also tolerate hot, dry summer days, making them ideal for southern gardens. Sweet Alyssum, Lobularia maritima. Sweet Alyssum features grey-green, lance-shaped foliage and clusters of small, 4-petal, sweet-scented flowers that bloom in spring. It may decline in summer heat but can be cut back by half. With cooler fall temperatures, the plant often perks up and blooms again. Japanese toad lily, Tricertis hirta. Tricertis, or toad lilies, thrive in shady, moist spots and pair well with woodland plants like hostas and ferns. Despite their charming appearance, be mindful of deer, who also enjoy these blossoms. Marigold, Tagetes. Marigolds are easy to grow, with brassy, warm blooms that last most of the season. They thrive in full sun and handle hot summers well, making them suitable for areas with extended scorching falls. Lobelia. Lobelia, which won't survive freezing temperatures, blooms best in fall. Its soft, fluffy blue flowers spread 6 to 10 inches wide, making it a great filler for gardens or containers. Strawflower, Xerochrysum bracteatum. Choose stunning straw flowers for cut arrangements from late spring to fall. These short-lived perennials hold their shape in vases and add vivid color to your landscape. Deadhead regularly to extend blooming. Canna lily. Canna lilies add a tropical feel to fall gardens with their exotic appearance. Easy to grow in full sun with moist soil, they're pet-friendly and need ample space. Coral bells, Euchera. Coral bells are perfect for gardeners without a green thumb. They are nearly foolproof, thriving in various weather and light conditions, and can even handle poor soil and drought. Coxcomb, Celosia. Coxcomb flowers, with feathery heads in bright colors like yellow, orange, red, and burgundy, provide vibrant fall color. Start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost for earlier blooms. Autumn Joy Stonecrop, Sedum. Autumn Joy Stonecrop is a hardy, low-maintenance plant that produces small, star-shaped flowers that transition from pink to red in fall. Pinch back in spring for bushier growth and plant in spring for vibrant fall color. Goldenrod, Solidago. Goldenrod is a perennial wildflower with tiny yellow blooms clustered on upright stems, attracting butterflies and bees. Remove spent flower clusters to extend blooming and plant in spring or fall. Joe Pye weed, Eutrochium purpureum. Joe Pye weed is a perennial wildflower with upright clumps and domed clusters of tiny, vanilla-scented flowers that add delicate fall interest. Cut the plants to the ground in winter for vigorous growth. Monkshood, Aconitum. These purple flowers stand out in autumn's red, orange, and yellow palette. Plant the perennial in shaded areas, but be cautious, it's poisonous. Wash your hands after handling, and avoid it if you have curious kids or pets. Harlequin beartongue, Penstemon. For attracting butterflies and hummingbirds, choose this perennial with dazzling purple flowers. It's a compact, hardy shrub that stands up to wind and rain. Little Joker ninebark, Physocarpus opulifolius. Urban gardeners will appreciate this small shrub for its low-maintenance beauty. It features delicate pink flowers on deep burgundy and dark green foliage and prefers partial shade to full sun. Bluebeard, Caryopteris. Bluebeard, or blue mist, blooms from July to September. This small, mounded shrub features aromatic foliage and clusters of tiny blue flowers that look like mist. Sumac, Rus. The Rus genus includes about 35 adaptable species with bright fall foliage and colorful late fall fruits that attract wild birds. Be cautious not to choose poison sumac, Toxicodendron vernix, which is toxic to people and pets. Amaranthus. Annual amaranths offer striking reddish flowers and attractive foliage. They thrive with good air circulation and drainage. Harvest leaves and seeds, which are great for fall porridge. Witch hazel, Hamamelis. While witch hazel offers attractive dark green foliage in summer, it truly shines in autumn and winter, with spidery flowers often blooming well after other trees and shrubs have lost their leaves. Russian sage, Perovskia atriplicifolia. Russian sage is a long-blooming, woody perennial with aromatic grey-green foliage and small, tubular flowers that thrive in sunny spots. For best results, cut back in early spring to encourage new growth. Fall flower plants bring rich, warm hues to gardens, creating striking contrasts with autumn foliage, extending garden beauty with vibrant blooms even as cooler weather approaches.